everybody, it's your girl Jazz. Today I am reviewing the DERMASUCTION. So fortunately I don't have too many issues with my skin, but I have noticed a lot lately, especially when I'm cleaning out my nose ring, that I do have a lot of gunk around my nose. So hopefully this will help take care of that issue. They have 4 different heads. For the small head for gentle suction for everyday use. A large head, which is strong suction, perfect for blackheads, which I seem to have, especially on top of my nose. Oval head is going to be for getting into the corner of the nose and mouth, which I really do need it over there. And then you have the sonic head, which helps exfoliate while pulling dirt and oil from the skin. Let's see how this works and how it looks. It is wireless, so that's an advantage. You don't have to worry about any, charging it or anything like that. It's going to use battery operated. Unfortunately, batteries are not included. So let's see the different heads. So this one's, my guess, is the sonic head for the exfoliating. This is for the big head, or I'm sorry, this is small head. This is the big head. And this is the one for the corner. So let's see. Oh, I do need to put batteries in it, don't I? Wow, I have batteries. Who would have guessed? Put this in. And so I do have before and after, before pictures. I don't have any after because I haven't done it yet. So pretty good suction. Which one shall I start out with? Should I do the small? I'm gonna do the oval because, like I said, I do have more in the corner. Oh, it does come with instructions. Who would have thought? All right, so I need to read instructions, which if you haven't started watching my channel yet, and this is your first video, you're gonna learn pretty quickly. Me and instructions don't mix very well. So I'm going to go ahead and skim this through. It shows how to remove the heads, which you're just simply going to pull them apart. Pretty easy. Let's see, what else does it have? It tells me how to put in the batteries, which I kind of figured that out on my own. Start by opening up your pores. Wash your face with warm water, steam, or a hot, wet towel. Make sure to dry your face and hands completely before moving on to the next step. Oh, I guess maybe it's a good thing I did read the instructions, right? All right, step 2, select your desired suction head, which we've already established. I'm going to do the oval. Let's see page 4, how to change the head. Already done that. DERMASUCTION is turned on by switching on and off button. The middle position is low suction and the top position is the high suction. Number 3, apply the DERMASUCTION to your face. Slowly move the DERMASUCTION around your face, not keeping it in one place for more than 2 seconds. For best results, focus on your problem area. But what if you only have one problem area and then just that one spot? Okay, sorry, I'm reading a little too much into it. Helpful tips. After using DERMASUCTION, make sure to apply moisturizer to the treated area. Before and after use, do not use any facial scrubs or other exfoliating products. Do not apply any downward force during the suction. Do not apply any downward force during use. The suction capabilities of DERMASUCTION are enough to clean your pores efficiently. Slight redness is normal and it will disappear approximately after 30 minutes. All right, so then how do you clean it? Basically just run it through water. Run warm water through the head and that'll clean it apparently. So let me go ahead and moisturize my face. Or not moisturize, well, yeah. Basically clean my face and get it prepared for the suctionator. The DERMASUCTION. All right, so I've got my nice warm towel. Emphasis on very warm. See some of the steam. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but I definitely see it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my nose. Ah! Okay. I'm not crying. So if my eyes start watering, it's not my fault. Alright, so I'm actually going to do some exfoliating first to make sure I get all the dead skin before I suck anything out. Especially since I've noticed that I have some dry skin right underneath my nose. So my skin's dry, so we're going to go ahead and get this started. We're going to start it on medium, or on low, excuse me. Okay, that area is not easy to do. I guess you have to close the circle up first. Oh, that's too much of a difference. Let me do it high. Ow! You can hear that popping noise. Stretch out the side of my nose. To me, I have it on the highest setting, and it seems like the suction isn't that great like it should be, and the vibration is very minimal. So I don't see anything that actually came off my skin on here. So I'm gonna try the oval one to get into the side of my nose because I know I have some gunk there. I can see it. So we're gonna get that out. Hopefully. Can't get the bridge of my nose, so that's a bummer. I know I have some on there, some blackheads. Vibration tickled my nose. I don't know if it's just my blackheads aren't that big or what, but it doesn't seem like much is coming out. I know I've got a blackhead right here, and nothing's coming out. Nope, it's not coming out. So I do see a little bit of gunk that came out. I don't know, like I said, if my skin just is... maybe they're that small or what. I'm trying to see if I see anything. I still have some blackheads on this side right here. Like I said, I'm gonna do a close up of the before and after, but I still have some some gunk there. So I'm gonna try a different attachment, see if this works. So I'm gonna do the small head. I think that's what it's for. Let me double check. No, it's right here. The small head for gentle suction, perfect for everyday use. So we're gonna try the small head first. I'm gonna try a different attachment. Ooh. The vibration makes my nose tickle. All right, let's go ahead and get this one started. Nope, I still have some blackheads. It doesn't seem like anything's coming out. I know I've got one right here. I can feel it. And I know it's not a pimple coming out either. I do notice that it looks like I kind of have like a hole here, and it's not my nose ring hole, there's another small little hole, so I'm guessing there was a big blackhead that was there that I didn't notice before. But I don't know if I just don't have that many blackheads or what, but it seems like I'm seeing them, but maybe my eyes are playing tricks on me. I don't know. Is there anything on here? Nope. Nothing really came out using the small one either. And try the big one. Ow! Okay, now that one hurts. Seems like this is the strongest one, which I'm kind of surprised about. Look at this. And ouch. Ow! Stretch out my nose, my nostrils. That's what it feels like. Ooh, yeah, I see the redness definitely on my skin. Ouch. That one hurts. It's anything on my chin. Ow, that hurts, it hurts. Okay, I don't see anything on this one either. A little bit of specks, but not much. But now my nose looks all bruised up, so that's good. Especially right in the corners, it looks all bruised up. I can see a difference, I will say that. But I don't think this, well, let me see. I'm gonna try one more thing. See if this is still warm. Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna put this over here because I can see I have some dry skin, so I'm gonna see if that'll get exfoliated off. So how's everybody's day doing? Or going? I think that's what I meant to say. I'm a little distracted right now. Can't tell. Alright, so I gotta dry it off. Does not take much for my skin to get dry. Ugh. And I don't know what that is. Maybe a booger. No. Yeah, it happens. Like you really needed to know that. Alright, we're gonna try exfoliating a little bit more. I see my skin drying out and peeling. So the attachment head itself is obviously exfoliating my skin, but it doesn't seem like anything's coming up out of it. But we'll see once I'm done. Oh, and I noticed why, I know now why they tell you don't leave it on for more than 2 seconds, because again, it's gonna look like your face is bruised. So I still have some dry skin, but I actually do see a little bit more of what looks like my dry skin here. So it seems like it's doing its job. I probably just need to, not moisturize my face, but make sure that I maybe warm it up a little bit more to kind of open up my pores even more than what I did, because I would let the towel kind of cool down a little bit, but maybe I may have let it cool down a little too much. So if you want me to do a second review on this and, you know, kind of give my opinion, an updated opinion on it, let me know. If you want me to review anything, let me know as well. I'll be more than happy to add it to my to-do list. If you're an artist and you have music and things like that, I'm always looking for new music that I'll be more than happy to feature on my channel. you know, through interludes and things like that. As far as my opinion on DERMASUCTION, I don't think it's personally for me. Like I said, I don't have too bad of skin. I don't get too many blackheads. I do wash my face. I'm just now starting to, after maybe a few months. I've been washing my face regularly. So I'm trying to get into more healthier habits. But, you know, of course, trying to make myself age as gracefully as possible. So I don't think I'll be adding this to my list, but I will be looking into other facial products. Like I said, this isn't necessarily for me. I don't have too many blackheads or anything like that. I think a regular exfoliator would work for me personally, but it is a good product. I do see that some of the, you know, dead cells in my skin, that did not come out right. Some of my dead skin cells are coming off, so it is working. So I will say that much. Let me see, is there anything else I can add to this? I think that maybe this one should probably be a little bit smaller so you can get more like on the bridge of your nose. But other than that, I guess maybe that's what the oval one's for. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. Not a product for me personally, but it does work. But unfortunately not useful for me. So in the meantime, stay tuned and stay jazzy. Thanks for watching, guys.